So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first move and try to search for the app on your phone menu, or maybe if you have it on your wallpaper like this, just tap on it for some while. Tap on app info, then now your app info is going to be open, and now what you have to do is to tap on notifications. Make sure this show notification is still good on. As you can see, mine is on. Tap on the force stop, then you tap on OK, which is very important. Tap on storage and cache, and tap on a clear cache. Go back. After that, tap on permissions. Make sure this storage permission is allowed. So after allowing it to go back, then tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or mobile data and restrictions, and make sure this mobile data and background data is still good on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, try to update NBA 2K mobile app. When you get the latest update of this app, what you have to do lastly is to reboot or restart your phone. So tap on your power button for some while if you want to reboot or restart your device. So this is going to pop up. On other device, you're going to see reboot. On other device, you're going to see restart. So it's all the same. So tap on the restart, then tap on OK. After doing this, your problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends. If this video have been helpful, please tap on the subscribe button.